we're at Lobslack Nursery in Cheshire, so we're a few miles away from Delamere Forest. Project's for our customer Forestry England, and it's a seed processing plant, so all the tree seed comes from the UK into the seed processing plant, and some of it will be used for management of forests. 100 million tree seeds a year will get processed through the plant when it's in operation. As part of our now or never strategy, we're on a journey towards net zero carbon wherever we can. On this project we've looked at different suppliers to reduce the embodied carbon of the project.
In supporting the drive to reduce the amount of carbon footprint on this project, Gripple's vertically integrated supply chain means that we can offer products that are made here in the UK, shipped from just over the hill in Sheffield straight here to Cheshire. Some of our products have mid-level TM65 documentation, whereas some of the products on here like Fast Track have actually got EPD certificates, giving absolute certainty about carbon reduction and carbon savings on this project.
We've got a full project pack off Gripple. The complete containment system is a design rather than using various different components from different manufacturers. Everything is from Gripple. Everything comes pre-cut, ready to use, so there's no cutting on site. Gets rid of the hot works, gets rid of some of the health and safety issues that we could potentially have. There's been a lot of involvement fire-wise. It is a timber frame building, so we've got to be conscious of that. So everything has gone into system design, so wherever possible we're looking at what we can do to go over and above what would be required. So all the Gripple system that we've put in, we know we're putting in a system that's been tested rather than mixing different components together.
Like any project, this one has gone through various design stages. As more information filtered through to our technical team, we could start overcoming some of the challenges of how to actually suspend the services with the nature of how the building was being constructed. Some of the most challenging areas were actually in the seed processing hall, where there was a desire to use as minimal drilling as possible. That's when we proposed the catenary system to span services right along the main hall from the mezzanine.
The catenary system's selected in here for two reasons. One was it's 3 straight runs, so we can maintain a nice straight linear line, which as you can see it works very well. And the second is the pitch of the ceiling, and using traditional rod it was causing a few design issues on making sure that we could maintain it into the wood. We've used a universal bracket to do a combined service, mechanical electrical. We've used the unigrip hangers to take those from it because we've maintained 2 different levels. So we've got mechanical on the top and the electrical on the bottom, and then we've used the pipe clamps that just fit in straight into it throughout because it just gave us the flexibility as we needed it. The unigrip system's been very easy to install. Just clips on, nice turn of a screw, locks it into place. It's been very efficient.
We've had other subcontractors come and have a look at this install because it is a neat and tidy end product. You know, rather than doing the same thing that we've been doing for years and years and years, we've done something different. We've gone to a system, and it's worked out well. You know, we've ended up with a good install. It's an end product that we're proud of.